Hello beautiful people, welcome to English Camford. Today, we will learn the correct pronunciation, not many, just 5. Let's get started. The first one is nation. Repeat after me, nation. Let's move on. Second one, native. Again, native. The next word is nature. Practice over and over again, nature. Number 4 is navy. Repeat again, navy. Last but not least, here is go. Final one, naval. Practice frequently, naval. No more today. Stay tuned with English Camford. Please, like, comment, share and follow the page. Thanks to all.